Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Fadli. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Buhari. Great. How about you?
Yes,
Good
I'm
night.
I'm great as well. Okay, actually,
Alhamdulillah.
yes. Okay, Mr. Fadli, actually, yeah, this evening, yeah, I thought was no participant join for this evening, but Mr. Ikhwan would join the class probably few minutes ago. Yeah, so it's okay. So yeah, we can start the class. No problem. Yeah, so how about the weather in Tangerang, Mr. Fadli? Is this raining?
Actually, right now is rainy. Today, very rainy. Rainy, I mean.
Hmm, okay. Yes. Well. Okay. So almost all the regions getting rainings for today actually. And got the raining.
Yeah, because this month is rainy season, right? In,
Raining season.
um, yeah, yeah. In rainy season, I mean.
Okay, that's good. Raining season. Yes. So yeah, because Indonesia has two seasons. There are wet season and also dry season. Yeah, so for this month, yeah, still raining season, okay, or wet season. Okay, Mr. Fadli. Okay. Yeah, also in my area, also in Bogor, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, start from this afternoon, yeah, raining, then yeah, actually in the middle of the night, yeah, last night also was raining. Then in the afternoon raining, and until now still raining, drizzle.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay, so
So
because
you, so you in Bogor right now?
yes, sir, I am in Bogor. Yes,
Ya, Bogor is kota hujan.
kota hujan. Okay.
So every day is rain,
Yes,
even in dry season.
yes. Yeah, Bogor is a raining city. Yeah. Okay, kota hujan. Yes, raining city. Okay, so because it's raining, so we will discuss about this, Mr. Fatih. Actually, we discuss about raining as well in this class, and this is about learning about scientific.
Water cycle.
Yes, the water cycle. So actually, do you understand, Mr. Fatli, about water cycle?
Yeah, I think this kind of one topic in hydrology.
Yes, hydrology. Yes, excellent. Yes, hydrology. Okay, Mr. Fatli, can you please read the first paragraph, Mr. Fatli? This is
Oh, okay, Mister.
yes.
So we are not waiting for Mister Ikhwan.
Yes, okay, no problem. Yeah,
Oh, no
probably.
problem. Okay.
Yeah, his connection still get problem
Yeah.
because
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, after earthquake actually. Okay, please,
Okay.
yeah, Mr.
In
Fatli.
in 1580, Bernard Palissy was the first man to describe the present-day concept of water cycle. He described how water evaporates from the oceans and cools to form clouds. The clouds move inland, where they rise, condense, and fall as rain. This water gathers as lakes and streams and flows back into the ocean in a continuous cycle. In the 7th century
Before Chris,
BC,
yeah, before
before before Chris, yes. Sorry, I forgot.
yeah, okay,
Thales of Miletus believed that surface spray of the ocean was picked up by the wind and carried inland to fall as rain.
yes, excellent. So, do you understand, Mr. Fatli, about this paragraph?
Yeah, so the first person who invent or discuss about the water cycle is Bernard Palissy. Yeah, so yeah, he believed that water is have a cycle, not only in one places, but move to the other places and come back and move, etc. Like that.
Yes, excellent. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, so the first person, who presenting, yeah, this is who presenting the water cycle, it was Bernard Palissy. Yeah, he was the first man, yes, to describe the present day concepts, yeah, of the water cycle. Okay, excellent, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, so actually his concepts of the water cycle actually was correct about his concepts, actually his conception. Yeah. So okay, we move to the second paragraph, Mr. Fadli.
Yes.
Can you please read the second paragraph also, Mr. Fadli, in earlier
Okay.
times? Yes.
In earlier times, people did not know the source of the underground water. They thought the water of the oceans, under the effect of winds, was thrust toward the interiors of the continents. They also believed that water returned by the secret passage of the great abyss. This passage is connected to the ocean and has been called the Tartarus. Since Plato's time, even Descartes, a great thinkers of the 18th century, subscribed to this view till the 17th century. Aristotle's theory was prevalent.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Fadli. So I will explain this in this paragraph. Yeah, and also Mr. Ikhwan joined the class. Hello, Mr. Ikhwan. Good evening.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, nice to see you again in the class, Mr. Ikhwan. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, are you at the hospital now, Mr. Ikhwan?
I'm in my office, sir.
Oh, at your office. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna ask you, Mr. Ikhwan. Uh, actually, what about the condition? How about the condition in Mamuju after earthquake, Mr. Ikhwan?
We always afraid because there's just once an hours ago there's earthquake again. The magnitude of 5.2, sir.
Okay.
So we always our heart always beating for this condition.
Yes.
So uh, we can sleep in my home. We often sleep in our home, sir.
Mm, okay. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan. So, yeah, we must keep praying. Yeah. So an hour ago,
Thank,
yeah, it had
thank you.
earthquake. Yeah, the magnitudes
Yeah,
about 5.2. Yeah,
two.
Richter
Yeah,
scales.
sir.
Okay.
Yeah, Richter scale, sir.
Okay. So that's yeah. So you are upright when you sleep at home.
Yes,
Okay.
we are always afraid, sir, because the earthquake in 15, yeah, that 6.2 is happened at 2 2:30 I a.m. am
Oh, it was happening
yes
at
when we
2:30 a.m. Okay,
yes
then. Oh,
so
that's okay.
it
6.2.
happened when we sleep, yeah, yes,
Well, be careful, Mr. Ikhwan.
yes, of course we always be careful here.
Yes. So that's time when you were sleeping, Mr. Ikhwan, when the earthquake happening. So you are actually you were sleeping at home, right? So are
Yeah,
actually were you feeling the vibrating getaran, the vibrating of the earthquake, the shaking actually, the shaking of the earthquake?
when the magnitude 6.2, sir, in
Yes,
15.
yeah,
Yeah,
6.2, 6.2
yes,
Richter
six
scale.
point. I sleep in my room with my wife,
Yes,
and then when the vibration
yes.
occurs, we uh, suddenly the light is off, sir. The lamp is off.
Oh, the lights of or blackouts.
Yeah,
blackout.
yes. The lamp is off, and I just sit in in my room in the corner. Yeah, after the earthquake over, sir. But my wife apa ya crash by cupboard, sir.
Hmm. Oh, oh yeah.
Yeah,
So
the head is
yeah, so concerning that's yeah. Okay,
yes,
so
it is.
yeah, hit by the cupboard. So how about your wife condition, Mr. Ikhwan, for now?
Yes, I know she is good, but
Yes.
the head is always pain, sir.
Oh yes,
Yes,
understood. So still, yeah, actually your wife need to actually treatment, yeah, frequently,
treatment
yeah,
and
to have a
yeah, and
treatment, yeah,
especially she very trauma
yes,
about the earthquake.
yes, absolutely, sir. She really traumatic about that's happened
Yes,
about the
it
earthquake.
is traumatic.
Yes, really traumatic. Yeah, okay, understood. So yeah, but now we still keep praying. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because in West Sulawesi also, yeah, the coastline, yeah, pesisir, the coastline, yeah, and near
Coastline.
the big sea actually, yeah,
Yeah,
Mamuju, yes.
right, sir.
Okay, so we
Ring of
still,
fire.
yeah, yeah, keep praying, yeah, may Allah bless us, yeah, Mr. Iwan,
Okay, amen.
yeah,
Yes, thank you, sir.
yeah, you're welcome.
What's our topic
Okay, so actually, Mr. Ikhwan, thank
now?
you for your explain, yeah, about that. So we also, yeah, pray, yeah, together, yeah, for Mamuju actually. Okay, so this evening, Mr. Ikhwan, we discuss
Yeah,
about this is the water cycle because yeah,
water
this
cycle.
month, yeah, is raining season. Yeah, raining season. So almost every day
Oh,
raining. Yeah, so
raining
we
season. Yeah,
discuss about the water cycle for this evening,
water cycle.
especially. Yes. Yeah, this is the water cycle. Okay,
Water cycle.
do you understand, Mr. Ikhwan, about the water cycle?
The water cycle is cyclus air, yeah.
Yes,
The water of
excellent.
yeah,
Cyclus
of
air.
the yeah.
Yes, excellent, Mr. Ikhwan. That's cyclus air, or Mr. Fadli said that this is the hydrology. Sorry, Mr. Fadli,
Hydro,
what's it called?
hydro,
Hydrology. Yeah,
Yeah,
hydrology.
yeah,
one topic in hydrology.
hydrology. Yes, hydrology.
Hydrology.
Okay, that's good, Mr. Fadli. Okay, so I will explain the second paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah,
Yeah,
the first paragraph actually was explained by Mr. Fadli. Yeah, but yeah, I will repeat a little bit about the first paragraph. Yeah, so in 1580, yeah, this is the Bernard Palissy was the first man, yeah, to describe the present day concept of water cycle. Yeah, so he was the first man, yeah, to describe this water cycle. Yeah, he described how water evaporates. Evaporates. Do you understand evaporates, Mr. Ikhwan? Evaporates.
yes,
Yes, evaporates
yes,
from
I
the
understand, sir.
oceans,
Right,
yeah, and cool to form
ocean,
clouds, and then cool to form clouds. Then
close,
the clouds move inland.
close,
Yeah, inland is move to the land like that. Yeah.
inland, yeah,
Move inland where
yeah,
the rice condense. Yeah, condense. Yeah, condense is um,
condense,
kondensasi. Ya, condense. Ya,
condense, the air,
menebal,
yeah, no,
menebal, memadat. Kondensasi is memadat. Ya, menebal, memadat.
condense, condense,
Yes. and fall as rains. Ya, dan jatuh sebagai hujan.
That's right.
This water
Yeah.
gathers as lakes. Ya. So this water gather as lakes and stream and flows. Ya, stream is a yes, stream, mengalir. Ya, so,
Oh,
Flows.
yes, flows berarus. Ya, stream, stream. The meaning is stream. Ya, stream is flows from the high to the low. Ya, mengalir dari tinggi ke rendah. That's stream. Yes, stream.
Yes. Okay.
And flow, ya, flow is mengalir. Ya, back into the oceans. Ya, in continuous cycle. Dalam siklus yang terus menerus. In the 7th century BC, ya, BC is before Christ, ya, sebelum Masehi in Indonesian. In English is the BC, before Christ,
For
ya, before Christ.
grace.
Ya, Christ is Masih, Masih, ya, Isa, ya, Isa al-Masih. So before Christ, ya, 7th century, abad ke-7 sebelum Masehi, Thales of Miletus believed. Yeah, so has the philosopher. Yes.
Believe.
Yeah, philosopher. The name is Thales of Miletus.
Myself.
Yeah, believe that surface spray of the ocean. Yeah, surface. Surface is a permukaan. Yeah, spray. Yeah, spray. Sorry, spray. Do you know spray, Mr. Ikhwan? Spray.
Yes. Pray.
Menyembur, semburan. Yeah, spray.
Praying itu
Semprotan or
menyiram,
semburan.
spray.
Ya,
Menyemprotkan.
siraman,
Yes.
siraman also can. Yes. Spray
Siraman.
of the oceans, ya, was picked up, ya, telah dijemput by the wind and carried inland to fall as rain. Ya,
That's right.
ya, dan dibawa ke daratan kemudian jatuh sebagai hujan. So these concepts actually really different. Yeah, Bernard Powell saying, yeah, the concept was good, was correct. Yeah, that he described how water evaporates from the oceans and cool to form clouds. Yeah, the clouds move inland, yeah, where the rice condense and fall as rain. This water gather as lakes and stream and flows back into the ocean in a continuous cycle. This is was correct. Yeah, this is was correct. The actually the Bernard's policy concepts. Yeah, we also learn about water cycle when we were at the primary school and then junior high school. We learned about this, and this is was correct. But in this, ya, in the 7th century before Christ, ya, abad ke-7 sebelum Masehi, ya, so the theoretics was, ya, actually really simple, ya, sangat sederhana. Ya, the theoretics that the philosopher, ya, Thales Miletus believe that the surface of the sea, permukaan laut or permukaan samudra, ya, semburan, ya, semburan di permukaan samudra, picked up by the wind, ya, disambar oleh angin, kemudian dibawa ke daratan, kemudian jatuh sebagai hujan. Nah, ini adalah teori yang salah sebenarnya. Teorinya Thales of Miletus. Okay, but in the second paragraph, ya, Mr. Fadli already read this second paragraph. Mr. Ikhwan, you can see in early times, ya, people did not know. Orang-orang dulu, ya, in early times, ya, did not know, ya, tidak mengetahui the source of underground water, ya, sumber di bawah sumber air di bawah tanah, underground. They talk the water of the oceans under the effect of winds. Okay, do you understand of this, Mr. Ikhwan? They talk.
Yeah.
Ya, mereka kira atau mereka pikir.
The water of the ocean under the effect of wind.
Yes, was thrust, ya, yang telah didorong towards, ya, ke depan the interior of the continents, ke dalam benua. Ya. So the early times, people did not know the source of the underground water, Mr. Ikhwan and also Mr. Fatli. So they thought that water of the ocean under the effect of winds, karena efek angin, air dari laut ini bisa ke daratan karena efek angin. Mereka nggak mengetahui apa yang terjadi sebenarnya ini, gimana proses terjadinya hujan. Nah, kemudian ada air di bawah tanah ini prosesnya seperti apa, ini mereka nggak tahu orang-orang dulu. Ya, dikiranya dari laut didorong oleh angin ke daratan akhirnya terjadi hujan. Oke. They also believe that water written by sacred passage. Oke, mereka juga mempercayai bahwa air kembali dengan bagian yang rahasia atau dengan rahasia. Maksudnya air itu bisa terjadi hujan seperti itu karena terjadi siklus yang rahasia. Or the great abyss, atau lubang besar. Great abyss ini lubang besar. Abyss itu adalah lubang yang dalam, abyss artinya lubang yang dalam. Great artinya besar. Yes. So you can see this video later on, Mr. Ikhwan. Ya, jadi orang-orang dulu tuh nggak tahu gimana ya kok di dalam sumur itu bisa ada air, caranya gimana. Nah, mereka percaya kalau air di lautan itu disambar oleh angin ke daratan. Akhirnya terjadi hujan, akhirnya tersimpan di sumur-sumur itu. Dan mereka juga percaya kalau di lautan itu ada lubang yang dalam, lubang besar yang dalam, kemudian air laut tuh masuk ke dalam lubang itu di bawah tanah. Nah, dari lubang yang di laut itu akhirnya mengalir ke sumur-sumur mereka. Mereka pemikirannya masih sangat sederhana. Okay, so we continue. This passage is connected to the ocean and has been called the Tartarus. Oke, since Plato times, semenjak zamannya Plato, even Descartes, bahkan Descartes, zamannya Descartes, the philosopher, also the philosopher, a great thinker of the 18th century, yes, subscribes, berlangganan, artinya mereka masih percaya sampai mengenai hal seperti ini. To this view, till the 19th century, Aristotle's theory was prevalence. Prevalence adalah umum. The meaning is umum. Sampai abad ke-19, teorinya Aristoteles yang paling umum. Telah yang umum, yang umumnya dipercayai orang-orang. Okay, so Mr. Ikhwan, can you please read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan?
Okay.
Yes.
According to this theory, water was condensed in cool mountain caverns and formed underground lakes that feed springs. Today we know that the rainwater that seeps into the cracks of the ground is responsible for this. The water cycle is described by the Quran in the following verse.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. So I will explain about this. According to this theory, so this is according to this theory. Berdasarkan teori ini, water was condensed in cool mountains. This is the theory of Aristoteles. Teorinya Aristoteles, air berkondensasi di gunung yang dingin. Cool mountain caverns. Cavern is a gua. Gua-gua di pegunungan. Gua-gua bawah tanah. Caverns. Yes, cavern is a gua. Air telah berkondensasi atau berkumpul di sana, menebal di sana, berkondensasi di gua-gua di pegunungan, and formed underground lakes, dan membentuk danau-danau di bawah tanah, and that feed spring, yang akhirnya menimbulkan spring, mata air. Yeah, so this is the theory of Aristotle. This is also wrong. Yeah, this theory also wrong actually. Yeah, but today, yeah, we know that the rainwater that sip, yeah, sip merembas. The meaning is merembas. Ya, air hujan merembas, yes, sips ya, merembas into the cracks, ya, ke dalam retakan-retakan, ya, cracks, ya, celah-celah, atau retakan-retakan of the grounds, ya, retakan-retakan ground, ya, tanah is responsible for this, ya, yang bertanggung jawab atas ini atau yang cocok untuk ini, bahwa air hujan itu merembas ke dalam tanah, makanya air itu bisa masuk ke dalam sumur-sumur kita atau berada di bawah tanah, karena air hujan itu merembas ke dalam tanah. Okay. So the water cycle is described by the Quran in the following verse. Okay. This is actually we comparing with the ayah of the Al-Quran, the verse of the Al-Quran. So I will read this. Yeah, this is Alam taro anallaha anzala minas sama. Alam taro anallaha anzala minas sama ma'an fasalakahu yatabi'a fil ardi thumma yuhriju bihi zar'an mukhtalifan alwanuh thumma yahiju fatarahu musfaron thumma yaj'alhu hutoman inna fi dzalika ladzikra liulil albab. Yeah, so this is the translation. Do you not see that Allah send down rain from the sky and make it flow as spring, yeah, and rivers in the earth? Then He produce thereby crops of varying colors. Kemudian, ya, because that's rains, ya, He produce, ya, maksudnya menumbuhkan, thereby, ya, dengan air hujan itu, ya, Allah menumbuhkan dengan air hujan itu crops of varying colors, ya. Crops, potongan-potongan. So the meaning is bermacam-macam warna. Ya. Then they dry and you see them turned yellow. Kemudian tumbuhan-tumbuhan itu layu dan kamu bisa lihat berubah warnanya menjadi kuning ketika dia layu karena kering, tidak ada air hujan. Then He makes them scattered debris. Kemudian Allah menjadikan scattered debris, ya, beraneka macam, bermacam-macam yang bertebaran, warna-warna yang bertebaran. Ya, because of rains, ya, karena hujan, ya, tumbuhan itu tumbuh dengan bermacam-macam warnanya. Indeed, bahkan in that is a reminder for those of understanding. Ya, bahkan itu menjadi pengingat untuk yang berangan-angan, ya, untuk orang yang berangan-angan. Ya, this is in the surah Az-Zumar chapter 39, ya, nomor surat 39. Ya, verse 21. Ya, chapter is nomor surat. Yes. Chapter bagian, ya, yang ke 39. Okay, so do you have any question, Mr. Fadli, about this ayah actually, or Mr. Ikhwan? Do you have any questions?
I think Al-Quran is truthful and have a miracle on explain fact. Yeah, I think it was a great of Al-Quran,
Yeah.
greatness of Al-Quran.
The greatness of Al-Quran. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mr. Fadli. Yeah, you understood. And Mr. Ikhwan, do you have any questions, Mr. Ikhwan?
What's the meaning springs, springs?
Spring mata air.
Oh, mata air.
Yes.
Springs, okay.
Yes, spring is mata air. And also Rafika, yeah, I will say greetings to Rafika in Westin Borneo. Hello Rafika, good evening. Halo Rafika, probably the connections, or actually the connections trouble probably. Yeah, sometime sometime connect and sometime lost. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, do you have any questions for this verse?
Not so far, sir. Sips, what's the meaning sips, sir?
Sips,
Rainwater that sips into the cracks.
ya merembas, ya sips
Merembas.
merembas, ya into the cracks, ya ke dalam celah-celah, ya, cracks retakan, ya cracks the meaning is retakan or celah-celah,
Crack.
yes, of the ground, ya cracks retak, cracks.
Fat springs, sir. Fat springs.
Menimbulkan mata air, fat spring menimbulkan
Oh,
mata air.
mata air. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. So we can see also in the next verse of the Al-Quran. Yeah, this is compare actually this ayah, Mr. Ikhwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will read this verse
Okay.
or this ayah. Wa min ayatihi yurikumul barko khaufan wa toma'a.
Oh,
Yes.
sama.
Wa yunazzilu minas sama'i ma'an fayuhyi bihil ardo ba'da mautiha. Inna fi dzalika la ayatin li ayatin inna fi dzalika la ayatin liqaumi yaqilun. Yes. Okay. So this is the translation, Mr. Fatli and also Mr. Ikhwan. And of his signs, ya, wa min ayatihi. Ayat is signs, ya, tanda. Dan ya, wa is the meaning is dan. Dan dari tanda-tanda, tanda kekuasaan, is that, ya, yang demikian itu, he shows, ya, Allah menunjukkan you the lightning, ya, kilat, ya, menunjukkan Anda the lightning, ya, kilat. Lightning is a kilat. Ya, causing menyebabkan fear and aspiration, ya, menyebabkan takut dan aspirasi. Aspiration itu aspirasi, berpikir. Ya, yes. If that's lightning, you will afraid. Oh, this is will thunder. Ya, akan ada thunder, petir. Ya. So you close your ears. Ya, you close your ears. Ya, because you afraid. Ya, if that has the thunder, ya, the thunder voice, suara petir. Ya, so you afraid, and that's aspiration. Aspiration berpikir, ya, bahwa kalau terjadi lightning, ya, terjadi kilat akan ada petir.
Fear
And
and aspiration.
yes, aspiration, ya, berangan-angan atau berpikir. He sent down, ya, Allah mengirimkan rain, hujan, from the sky, ya, dari langit. Jadi air hujan itu dari langit, dari atas tadi, dari awan tadi maksudnya. By which he brings, ya, dengannya he brings to life, ya, Allah menghidupkan the earth, menghidupkan bumi, ya, after it lifelessness. Kalau life hidup, kalau less, ya, berarti lifeless berarti mati. Lifelessness, ya, setelah matinya bumi. Ya, after its lifelessness. Its ini menjelaskan tentang bumi. Ya, setelah matinya bumi. Ya, jadi kemudian Allah mengirimkan air hujan dari langit. Ya. Dari air hujan itu Allah menghidupkan bumi setelah matinya bumi. Ya, setelah berbulan-bulan tidak turun hujan, bumi itu kering. Tumbuh-tumbuhannya pun mati. Bahkan hewan-hewan ternak pada mati juga karena nggak ada tumbuh-tumbuhan. Tapi dengan air hujan akhirnya tumbuh-tumbuhan itu secara otomatis hidup lagi. Kemudian tumbuh-tumbuhan hidup, hewan-hewan ternak juga pada gemuk-gemuk. Indeed, bahkan in that, ya, di dalam demikian itu are sign for a people who use reason. This is liqaumi yaqilun. Yaqilun yang berpikir mereka, yang berangan-angan mereka. Yes. Actually, in the Al-Quran has the sentence like this: yaqilun and taqilun. Yaqilun is this is this is fi'il mahdi. Fi'il mahdi, the meaning is actually future tense, sebelum dilakukan, masih menjadi perencanaan, fi'il mahdi. Itu yaqilun, yang akan berpikir-pikir mereka. Liqaumi yaqilun, yang akan berpikir mereka. Jadi yaqilun itu akan gitu artinya. Jadi ini future tense. Tetapi kalau taqilun itu adalah past tense. Taqilun was past tense. Actually taqilun is past tense. So if you read Al-Quran, Mr. Fadli and also Mr. Ikhwan, you sometimes see yaqilun, and sometimes you see taqilun. Taqilun is the past tense. Then yaqilun is the future tense.
Okay.
So for example like this, yadkhulul jannah, akan dimasukkan ke dalam surga. Waladina amanu wa aminus solihat yadkhulul jannah, akan dimasukkan ke dalam surga. As you can also find in the Al-Quran. And that's never the sentence like this. Tadkhulul jannah, telah dimasukkan ke dalam surga. Enggak pernah dia berbunyi seperti itu, Mr. Ikhwan, also Mr. Fadli. Karena surga itu masih rencana, masih masa depan. Jadi ayatnya selalu berbunyi yadkhulul jannah, akan dimasukkan ke dalam surga. Bukan tadkhulul jannah, tetapi yadkhulul jannah. So you can see. So Al-Quran actually the best actually for the grammars. Actually has the good grammar aspect. Al-Quran, Mr. Fadli, and also Mr. Ikhwan. So we can see from this. Okay, so, I will read once again. Once ayah again. So this is the verse, and the last verse is mentioned. Wa anzalna minas sama'i ma'an miqdari faskanahu faaskanahu fil ard wa inna ala dababin bihi laqadirun. Okay, can you please read the translation, Mr. Fadli? And we have sent down rain.
And we have sent down rain from the sky in measure amount and settle into the earth. And indeed, we are able to take it away. Al-Quran Surah Al-Mu'minun ayah or verse 18, chapter 23.
Yes, excellent. Thank you, Mr. Fadli. And we have sent down rain. Mr. Ikhwan, what is the meaning of this? And we have sent down rain.
Kami telah menurunkan hujan dari langit.
Excellent. From the sky in measure amount. Dalam jumlah tertentu. Dalam jumlah tertentu. Atau jumlah yang ditentukan. Measure. Measure is ukuran. Measure. And settled it in the earth. Settled diatur atau ditentukan. It in the earth.
Settled in the earth.
Yes. Jadi hujan itu sudah ditentukan di dalam bumi. Maksudnya hujan itu akan terjadi siklus. Jadi nggak pernah berhenti. Jadi ketika air itu di bumi sudah seumpama ini terjadi hujan hari ini, mungkin berapa hari lagi akan terjadi hujan atau berapa bulan lagi akan terjadi hujan. Jadi akan terjadi siklus. Sehingga air di bumi ini nggak pernah habis. Okay. And indeed, dan bahkan we are able to take it away. Kita able to take it away. Kita bisa this is wa inna ala dababin bihi laqadirun. Semuanya itu sudah ditentukan. Ya, to take it away, the meaning is ya bisa mengambilnya, ya bisa sorry, to take it away, mengambil pelajaran like that, to take it away. Yeah. Actually, this ayah, this is ya, wa inna ala dababin bihi laqadir. Ya. Sudah ditentukan, ya, laqadirun niscaya ditentukan. Ya, this is Al-Quran surah Al-Mu'minun, ya, verse, ya, actually chapter 18, ya, nomor surat 18. Sorry, Al-Mu'minun, ya, chapter 23, ya, verse 18. Ya, chapter 23, verse 18, ya, ayat 18. Okay, so actually from this, ya, no other text dating back 1,400 years ago gives such an accurate description of the water cycle. So no other text, ya, nggak ada teks yang sudah ada ya, 1.400 tahun yang lalu yang bisa memberikan seakurat, ya, deskripsinya seakurat dari water cycle ini, dari siklus air ini, except Al-Quran, kecuali Al-Quran. This is 1,400 years ago, Mr. Ikhwan and also Mr. Fadli. Tetapi ini bisa sebanding dengan teorinya Bernard Palissy. Ya. Padahal Bernard Palissy ini tahun 1580 Masehi. Nah, sementara Al-Quran ratusan tahun di bawahnya Bernard Palissy. Tapi teorinya bisa seakurat itu. Nah, teorinya Bernard Palissy, ya, maybe ya, he learned from ya, many experience probably, or he had the research, ya, probably Bernard Palissy. Ya, but Al-Quran was really correct to describe about this. Okay, so what is your opinion, Mr. Ikhwan, for this topic?
Yeah.
This evening, Mr. Ikhwan, actually. Yeah, I will ask you.
Yeah, I think the topic is very interesting
Yes,
about science.
yes, about science.
We must know about science, especially water cycles. We always water is our life, so
Yes, water
the
is,
source of our life.
yes, excellent. Yeah,
So we
water.
must know the cycle.
Okay, yes, that's good, Mr. Ikhwan. And how about you, Mr. Fadli? What is your opinion of this water cycle, actually, Mr. Fadli?
Yeah, I think water cycle is phenomenon that happen around us. It's a fact, and it can be explained from Al-Quran. Yeah, so it was a miracle of Al-Quran. Also, the relation about the Al-Quran explanation is related to the scientific explanation. I
Yeah.
think from me that's all, Mr.
Yes, thank you. That's good. Excellent, Mr. Fadli. And Mr. Ikhwan, do you understand about Mr. Fadli explain, Mr. Ikhwan?
Yeah.
Do you understand, Mr.
Hello?
Ikhwan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you understand about Mr. Fadli
Yes.
explain? Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
sir.
that was the topics for this evening, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so the verse of the Al-Quran nothing fight, ya, nothing opposites, ya, nggak pernah berlawanan atau kebalikan. So the all compare same. You can see in this verse, Mr. Ikhwan.
With the knowledge, yeah.
Yes, and good knowledge. Okay, so thank you for the class. Actually, join the class this evening, Mr. Ikhwan. So see you again for
Thanks,
next
sir.
meeting. I think this learning is enough. Okay, thank you, Mr. Fadli. See you again for next meeting.
Thank you, Mr. Buhari, Mr. Ikhwan. Good
Yes.
night.
Okay.
Good